Alright, our reading lesson is lesson 9. Understanding the standards. The Common Core standards for this says, it's a language arts standard. Demonstrate understanding of figurative language, word relationships and nuances in word meanings. Demonstrate understanding of words by relating them to their opposites into words with similar but not identical meanings. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go over antonyms and synonyms. Okay, antonym, opposite, synonym, same. Easy way to remember that is synonym, s, same. Okay, it's two words that mean the same thing, like cheerful and happy. Okay, elated and excited. Okay, sad and unhappy. Angry and mad. Those are all synonyms, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Decatur, give me an example of a synonym that you can come up with. Speak loud for us, please.
Happy and sad.
Those are antonyms. They're opposites. Antonyms have opposite meanings. Fast and slow. High and low. Okay? That was an antonym. I want the same. I want the synonyms. So give me two different words that mean the same thing. Alright, so now you're going to help them out.
Friend and pal.
Friend and pal. Okay, Kirsten.
Happy and glad.
Happy and glad. Sarah.
Gentle and soft.
Gentle and soft. Okay. Karen.
Hungry and starving.
Hungry and starving. Okay. All right. Those are, yes, that's good. Look here at our, read along as I read out loud at our paper here. Look at our paper. Imagine that one day you're reading while your friend does a crossword puzzle. She says to you, what's a three-letter word that means miserable? Sad, you respond. You've just given your friend a synonym for miserable and helped her solve a clue in her crossword puzzle. Synonyms are words that have similar or close, but not identical, which means exactly the same, meanings. Sad and miserable are synonyms. If your friend had asked you for a word that meant the opposite of miserable, you might have said happy. Happy is an antonym for miserable. Antonyms are words that have the opposite meaning. Happy and miserable are antonyms. Alright? Right? Yes, Decatur.
How come happy and miserable are antonyms?
They're opposites.
I thought opposites mean the same.
No.
And synonym mean different.
Synonym, same. They both start with an S. Synonym, same. Okay? Alright, you can find synonyms and antonyms by using a dictionary or a thesaurus. You can also think of words you already know. Okay, now let's look over to the next page on the guided instruction on page 40. Alright. We're going to work through this together. Let me get this straight on this smart board here. Alright. Read as I follow along with me as I read, okay? One way to remember synonyms and antonyms is by plugging in other words. When you swap a word in a sentence with its synonym, the new sentence will mean about the same thing as the old sentence. When you swap a word with its antonym, the new sentence will mean the opposite of the old sentence. Daniel, can you give me an example of what they're talking about?
If you say the kid was glad and you put the kid was happy, it would mean about the same thing.
Right. But if you said the kid was glad, if you took out glad and put sad, that would be the antonym, right? Let's look here at the example that it gives us here. He is a generous person. What is another word or synonym that means the same as generous? Jacayla?
Giving.
Giving. That's what they tell us right here, right? Okay, an antonym, which means the opposite. Aaliyah?
Stingy.
Stingy. Means the opposite of generous. What does stingy mean? Sarah?
That you don't share with other people.
That you don't share. You're greedy. Greedy is a synonym for stingy. All right. What about generous? What does generous mean? Kirsten?
Means nice.
Generous means nice. Okay. Daniel?
Forgiving.
Giving. Aaliyah?
Like a thoughtful person.
Thoughtful. Okay. All right. That's right. All right. Let's look at here at number 1. Raquel has been my friend since the 1st grade. Which would be a synonym? Friend is underlined. Which would be a synonym for friends? Alandra. Pal. Everybody agree or disagree? Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs down if you disagree. Everybody's got thumbs up? All right, good job. So pal is the right answer. Good job. What would be an antonym for the underlined word? It's me.
Enemy.
Enemy. Okay. All right, speak loudly, okay, so the camera can record you. Or the mic can. All right, so enemy. What is an enemy? What's an enemy? Trinity. Speak loud for us. Okay, somebody who's not your friend, somebody that's against you. Okay. Yes, ma'am, Sanaya. Oh, okay. Connor, tell us what an enemy is.
Like, they don't like each other.
They don't like each other. Okay, so who is an enemy to, say, Batman? Okay.
The Joker.
The Joker. Okay. Who is the Joker's enemy?
Batman.
Okay. All right. Who is an enemy to? Let's see. Who's an enemy to Bugs Bunny? Kirsten.
The man with the gun.
The man with the gun. Who is that?
The ball he do.
I don't know.
The ball he do like he like want to shoot.
Elmer
He
Fudd.
always be saying, "What's up, Doc?"
Elmer Fudd. No, Bugs Bunny says, "What's up, Doc?" Elmer Fudd is always wanting to hunt that rabbit. Wabbit, I guess is how he says. He says, hunt the wabbit. Okay. Who is a friend to Bugs Bunny? Daniel.
The dog.
Daffy Duck. Okay. Okay. All right. The girl with babs.
Victoria. Jane is her enemy. She doesn't like the Victorious.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Victorious.
I don't know. Okay.
Young baby.
All right, let's look here. Number 2. All right, my bedroom was messy. What does messy mean? Who can tell me what messy means? Isis?
Untidy.
Ma'am?
Untidy.
Untidy? Okay. Alexis, what does messy mean? Not clean? Aaliyah?
Dirty.
Dirty? Okay, good job. All right, so those would all be what? Synonyms, right, synonyms. Okay, so give us an antonym of messy. Alindra.
Neat.
Neat would be an antonym of messy. Okay, what else? Connor?
Nice. Like it's organized.
Organized. Okay, all right, good job. Marco?
Clean.
Clean. Very good, very good. So the synonym we would choose for messy in this example, number 2, would be what? Untidy. Right. Untidy. Orderly would be an antonym, wouldn't it? To messy. If it's orderly, if everything's in order and in its place, it's tidy, that would be an antonym to messy. Okay. Which antonym of these 3 choices? It's them, Aaliyah. Neat. Very good. Neat. Neat would be an antonym to messy. What would dirty be? Sarah? Synonym. Very good. All right, let's look at example number 3. Pete was nearly always absent. Decatur. Give us a synonym for absent.
Gone.
Gone, okay. Very good, very good. Give us an antonym.
Present.
What does present mean? Does it mean that, does that mean something you get on your birthday or at Christmas?
No, it means that you're here.
It means you're here, right, you're present, you're here with us, okay. All right, so synonym was gone, means the same thing, and present was the antonym, okay. All right, now, on this next sheet, you're gonna complete it, I'm gonna walk around and observe how you're doing on it, okay? If we need help, just raise your hand, okay? It says in a small group, read each sentence. You're going to work with your partner next to you, okay? All right. Hang on, Daniel, come up here with, I'm sorry, you can stay there. Kirsten, go back there and work with Daniel. And then everybody stands up with your partner, right? Okay. All right, listen. You're going to work together. You're going to work together. All right, it says here, in a small group, read each sentence, then follow the instructions to correctly rewrite the sentences. Use a dictionary or thesaurus if necessary. Example, I accept your apology. Rewrite the sentence using an antonym. Okay? The opposite of accept is reject. If you accept something, you take it. The opposite of taking something would be reject it. I'm going to reject it, okay? So, reject is the word they used in the place of accept. That's the example they gave. Does everybody understand? Are y'all following it? Y'all got it? All right, so number one, she was astonished by her friend's foolish act. You're going to rewrite the sentence using a what?
Synonym. Using a synonym.
Synonym for the word that's underlined, which is astonished. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, does everybody understand the instructions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, shh, I'll pass them out just a moment. Now, when you get to number 9, just hold off on that one. I just want you to do 1 through 8 for now, okay? And we'll walk around and observe and see how you're doing. If I need to help anybody, I will pass out dictionaries to each group. Ma'am. No, ma'am. I'll let you get started on it. If you have a question, raise your hand. Talk softly with your partner. No shouting. If I'm standing here and I hear y'all's group talking amongst yourselves, you're talking too loud. You're sitting right next to each other, so you should be able to talk quietly and still be able to hear each other. I shouldn't have to hear you on the other side of the room, okay? So let's keep it at a whisper, okay? Everybody got it? All right, I'm going to pass out dictionaries. Y'all go ahead and get started, okay? All right, let's go. I'm coming. Hang on. There we go. Just keep this going. That big one. Y'all work together. Yes, ma'am. Just use these. Those big ones are just too lucky. Right. Yes, ma'am. Isn't that one going to be big? Well, what do you think? What does enormous mean? Okay. If you don't know, look it up. Okay. So you're going to use an antonym though, right? Okay. So what is the opposite of that? Small, tiny, little. Okay, there you're going to use a synonym. So you're going to replace this word for another word that means the same thing, another synonym. Got it? Okay. Alright. How's it going? Everybody got it? Leon, need some help? Well, get with
You got a fire.
Chris, you need to work with your partner. I'm astonished. Okay, what does that word mean? You know what astonished means? Okay, what did I need to do for? Huh? Sweetheart. Astonished. What section did you look in? You're right. Okay, so I don't know why they wouldn't have that word in. All right. Astonished is not in here. Let's see if it's in the other one.
You gotta be in.
I'll look.
Yeah. It means
Okay, raise your hand if you think you know what it means without looking. Sanaya?
it means shocked or surprised.
Shock or surprise. Okay, very good. Very good definition. Astonish.
Yeah, my ear. My ear. I felt
Okay, astonish. Surprise, greatly amazed. Okay? Astonishment, great surprise, sudden wonder, amazement. You're right, Sanaya. Okay, I don't know why it's not in those blue dictionaries. That should be. Okay. No. If it's not in there, just ask me and I'll look it up in this one, okay? I'm not gonna pass this out. Okay. Let's get busy, boys. Let's get busy. Surprise. What else was it, Sanaya? Can you tell? Surprise. Shocked.
surprised or what?
Shocked.
This was right.
Yes, ma'am. Everything you do here is for grade, remember? No, I want you to do it on your own. I was just helping you out with the definition because it wasn't in the blue one. Well, what you look at, I'll look at. Which one? Asthma. Where do you see that? That is astonished. I just told you what that was. Okay, I just told you what that was for that. Yes, I did. That's what I just looked up. Okay. Shocked or surprised. Students, excuse me.
No, we still on film.
Let's get quiet. Let's get busy. We're fixing to go over in just a moment.
We're on the film. You don't want.
Work on it together. Yes, ma'am. Which one? Narrow. Well, you know what that is. When something's narrow. Narrow, small in space. Not broad, not wide. Like a narrow tunnel. Boys. Is your mama coming over for parent teacher conference later? Well, it didn't matter because I've got her phone number. Be very busy. What word do you need? I've done told you what it meant. What did I say? Pay attention. Got it? Connor, good job. He's almost done with the first page. Daniel, you're already on the second page. Good job. Good job. All right, good job, Connor. Sarah, good job. You're doing good. What word do I have trouble with? Narrow, means a narrow space, a small opening, a narrow opening, a small opening. It's not wide, it's not broad. The bridge was really narrow. The tunnel was real narrow, yeah. The walls were real narrow. Had to squeeze through there, okay? No, ma'am. Come up with each of you come up with your own. Y'all can do this. Ready? Y'all get busy.
This ain't got nothing here.
All right. Well, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am. What did I say that meant? What was I just telling you?
A little space.
So it's when I'm telling you, if you're on the same problem that somebody else I'm helping is on,
You need to be
you need to be listening to me, okay?
This ain't
That way I don't have to explain it 50 times,
I'm on the next page.
okay? Good job. Good job.
I'm still on the.
All right, we're fixing to have to move on. We got a couple more minutes. It's the same thing. It means not broad. It's not big. It's not wide. It's narrow. It's little. And you want something you're going to have to squeeze through. And for an antonym, it would be what? It was real wide. Okay, number 8. All right, anybody else on number 8? All right. All right, everybody stop for just a second. Let's look at number 8. Everybody, let's jump ahead and look at number 8 right quick. So let's go over how much time. Let's look. Number 8. Fill in the following sentence with the word and then write an antonym for that word. Explain how the meaning of the sentence changes. Okay? The sentence is, I found the movie blank. So wait, raise your hand. Who can tell me what we're supposed to do with that? We just read the instructions. So now what did you tell us to do?
Fill in following word with the antonym.
Fill in the following sentence with a word, any word, and then with an anonym for that word. So you're going to say, I found the movie great. Well, what's an anonym for great? Boring. Dull.
Stupid words.
I found the movie exciting. an antonym for exciting would be boring. I found the movie to be boring. Okay. I found the movie live and full of action. Okay, or I found the movie funny. Okay, an acronym of funny would be I found the movie to be sad. Okay? Alright, y'all understand? So then, listen. Then it goes on, after you do that part, it says explain how the meaning of the sentence changes. So take those 3 lines, I want you to explain to me how that changes the whole meaning of the sentence. By changing one word. Okay. If you said I found the movie sad. Okay? I found the movie sad. Okay. Now, what's an antonym for sad?
She can't ask me out, amen.
Shh. I'm talking to yours. Raise your hand. What's an antonym for sad? Happy. I found the movie happy, pleasant. Okay. So, how does that change the sentence? It gives a different meaning about how I felt about the movie, right? All right. Does that change the whole meaning? Okay. Tell me how. Shh.
It changed the meaning because if you put it down to the said, then you change it to change.
So write that down. Write that on your paper, okay? Astonished. You're excited. Okay, when you out at recess, when you jumped up at my back earlier, you astonished me. I was shocked. I was surprised. You scared me.
It ain't no laugh.
We're not laugh today.
Can I go to the bathroom? You can't take a bathroom break. Bathroom break.
Ma'am?
Where'd you go to the county?
For astonished? Is that a synonym? No, what else say it means? Astonished means shocked, surprised. Those are synonyms for that. Boys, pick the pencil up and get busy. I'm not gonna lie.
What's the antonym for scared?
You tell me. Write it down. Write it down. Write it down. Okay, are we ready to discuss it?
No. We gotta go back.
Who's got the first page done at least? Has everybody at least got the first page done? All you needed to do was raise your hand. Shh. Okay. All you needed to do was raise your hand. Who? Eyes on me. Eyes on me. Who was done with the first page? Raise your hand.
I'm on number one.
How many girls? How many y'all have been done?
I'm gonna have 4.
Ma'am,
I'm on number 1.
you have 2? Okay.
I have 3. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and go over it.
Let's go.
Number 1.
Oh, I ain't on number 1.
All right, Marco. Come up here to the board. Rewrite the sentence using a synonym. She was astonished by her friend's foolish act. You don't have to write the whole sentence, but write the word that you substituted for astonished. Up here.
I want to be Genesis.
Come on, let's go. Quickly. We got about 10 minutes before we're going to change.
Can you tell me something? Walk.
Here's the. Have y'all forgotten already that we are being videotaped?
Surprise.
Alright, surprise. Well, it would help if you wrote it big enough.
You
Okay.
don't write a B.
Alright, so he wrote surprise. And misspelled it. You know better than that. Surprise. Alright? Alright, give me an antonym, Kyra.
Yo, head
She was. You want to? I still want one. Be quiet.
Shelly got some. Now do number 3. Write it big.
Marco.
Now.
Give me an antonym for astonished. Not shocked. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Very good. All right. Number 2, Kayla. It says, give us an antonym for narrow. Give us an antonym for narrow. LaQuan, while she's giving us an antonym for narrow, you come up and give us a synonym for narrow. Mm-hmm. Ma'am. Tell me what an antonym is. Remind us.
Oh, yeah. You said a synonym?
A synonym.
I mean, this is not No.
My mama coming.
She already know I've been there.
Marco. Quiet. The road was big.
Yeah.
Big. Okay. Is big an antonym for narrow?
No, what is narrow?
A little space.
Small.
Okay, narrow. Y'all, how many times have I read it out of the dictionary already?
It's
Narrow.
small. A small space.
Look. Shh.
bumpy.
Going through that's a mountain, okay? This is a tunnel. Okay? Alright, now here's another mountain. Alright, here's another tunnel. Now this tunnel here is wide.
I know.
Okay? This tunnel here is narrow. Narrow. Okay, you see how wide I am? Could I fit through a space that was this narrow?
I can.
Well, yeah, you could, but you're little.
I ain't fit that.
Okay? So do you understand narrow? I don't understand why you're having problems with that word. Alright, sit down. Y'all got it. It's wide, okay. Alright, have a seat. Thank you. Alright. Samaria, come do number 3 for us, please. Issue was enormous. Give us an antonym for enormous. Sarah, you come give us a synonym for enormous.
Hello. Johnny, y'all right who John.
You wanted another antonym. An antonym for enormous. And you put small. Very good. Oh, you put the antonym. Yeah, you put the antonym. Okay, you give us a synonym for enormous. Huge. Very good. Okay. Alright. Number 4. Alandra and Sanaya. Alandra, you do an antonym for a weight, and Sanaya, you do a synonym for a weight. No, ma'am, just write the word.
Yes.
No, don't get crazy with it. Come on. We gotta hurry. We just have to go.
What's what she writing?
Out of bed
That be
is a synonym for awake. An antonym would be, okay, good job, Alandra, sleep. Okay, synonym for awake.
Wait. She was knocked out. I was knocked out this morning.
I was talking about put it in it.
What about alert or aware?
Depends on put my belt on.
Whoa, wait.
Alert means you're up in the air. I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean you're awake. Alert, aware, focused. If I said, hey, wake up, pay attention. Y'all aren't awake. Does that mean you're actually asleep? No, it means you're just not paying attention. You're not focusing on me, right? I could use that word in that sense. All right?
She did put some water on your face if you
Aware. Okay, very good. All right. All right, now I'm fixing to hand out your spelling words. All right, listen, what we're going to do, we're going to do the same thing with our spelling words. I want you, like on the front page, where before we've always taken our spelling words, where we've always taken our spelling words and we did a copy and spell. Well, this time, what we're going to do on those 2 lines, I want one line, I want you to write me an antonym, and on the other line, I want you to write me a synonym for each word. Okay?
We got 5 minutes. Go ahead.
Hush. Not today. All right, let's go in the spelling section of your binder. Girls, let's get quiet. Let's get quiet. On column, students, listen. On 2. Students, are you listening to me? Pay attention, get quiet. On column 2, I want where it says copy and spell.
Wait, I don't see that.
Yes,
This
you do.
one's
Look,
on that one.
look, I know. Hang on, I didn't just face
I'll
out.
go to my seat right now.
You're gonna put, I want a synonym, and then I want an antonym on 3, okay? Okay, you got it? Everybody, y'all got it? Understand what I'm asking for? There you go. Take one and pass it.
Can I go to my desk?
Take one and pass it. Yes, ma'am. Take one and pass it.
Miss Mom,
All right.
you said one.
Yes, that is why. Y'all remember, students, y'all remember, I told y'all Mr. Anderson and Miss Nancy, they're all gonna see. They're all gonna see this video. They're gonna see how y'all have been talking, not raising your hand.
What's the work on TV? I said TV. I said what's the work on TV? I mean.